Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to deploy a website on Netlify. So let's get started. First, head over to netlify.com and sign up for a free account. Over here, once your account is created, you'll land on the Netlify dashboard. After that, click on Add New Project on the home page, then tap on Deploy Manually. Over here, you'll need to drag in your website files in a zip format. Then take that zip file and drag it onto the center of the upload circle on Netlify. This will start uploading your project files. After that, Netlify will take you into the project dashboard. Over here, if you want to access the project later, just click on Projects from the menu and find it on your home page. Then tap on the subdomain provided by Netlify. Your website will be live and ready to use. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.